Today we will look at turmeric. It's a common spice in Indian kitchen and used in almost each and every recipe to add color. But more than 6,000 plus studies show that turmeric do more than just adding color. You may have seen that people in Western countries are adding more turmeric in their diet. It's a trend. But in India we have been using for a long time, which is a good thing. So in this video we will look at why there is a huge demand. So let's get started. Our first topic is inflammation. Inflammation is essential process and also a rising concern for health and also quality of life. Consider inflammation as body's self-defense mechanism to fight against virus, bacteria and other infection. So basically our body is trying to heal. But there are two types of inflammation. One is good while one is bad. Let's first look at good inflammation. Suppose you got a cut with a knife or a muscle cramp. You will feel a burning sensation in that area. Our immune system triggers body to release chemicals which include antibodies and proteins. And also it increases blood supply to that area. This type of inflammation is known as acute inflammation, which will last for few hours or few days. It's a cycle. Our body fights infections, and when there is no danger, it ends the cycle. It happens every time when there is infection of virus, bacteria or other pathogens. And there is a second type of inflammation which is bad and also known as low grade or chronic inflammation. So earlier inflammation followed a cycle. Body goes in alert state when there is infection but goes back to normal when there is no danger. In low grade inflammation, body stays in constant state of alert since the cycle doesn't break. We may or may not be aware of such inflammation because we may not get extreme signs which we get from cut, burn or cramp. Consider it as a silent killer. You may think I am just using a big word, but it's a fact. Low grade inflammation is the worst thing. It is responsible for major of the modern day health problems like Alzheimer, cancer, heart disease, neurodegenerative disease and much more. That's a lot about inflammation. You may be eager how turmeric can help. Oncogen Journal published a paper that curcumin from turmeric is more effective than aspirin and ibuprofen. If you are on medication, please don't quit medicine directly, but you can get more benefit by adding turmeric to your diet. Along with curcumin, it also contains phytosterol which also have anti-inflammatory properties. If you want a better health, you need a balance between free radical and antioxidant in your body. To know why there is a need of balance, let's look at free radical. Free radicals are present in environment and also produced in our body. Body produced to fight virus, bacteria and other infections. So there is no doubt that we need free radical for better health. But free radicals can turn against us. To know why, let's look at its structure and nature. Free radicals are highly active molecule with unpaired electron. To get stable, it tries to steal one electron. It can attack protein, fatty acid and even DNA. So the free radicals may get stable, but the molecule that lost electron become unstable and it does the same. It's like a chain reaction and it continues. To prevent damage to biological molecule, antioxidant bind with free radical by giving up its electron. This makes free radicals stable and they no longer attack healthy cells. Good thing about antioxidant is that even after losing one electron and getting into the state of free radical, they are not reactive. That's a lot about free radical. And you might have got why we need to balance free radical and antioxidant. Enough supply of antioxidant will keep free radical to a healthy level. So let's look why turmeric can be beneficial. Curcumin from turmeric have high antioxidant property. Also it's found to improve the activity of body's own antioxidant enzymes. So it not only blocks free radicals directly but also stimulates body antioxidant mechanism. What more one can expect from simple looking spice? If you are looking to improve brain health and also want to cut risk of neurodegenerative disease in future, you should consider turmeric. Two things make turmeric a good addition for brain health. Curcumin and BDNF factor. Curcumin is found to increase the level of BDNF. BDNF is also known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor. It's a hormone that is essential for brain growth. With abundant supply of BDNF, brain's neuron multiplies, which take care of brain health. Without enough supply of BDNF, the risk of degenerative disease like Alzheimer and dementia increases, and also the risk of depression. BDNF reverses brain damage and also boosts healing process. It's also found to improve brain functions like concentration, memory, and problem-solving skill. Omega-3 fatty acid is required for development of brain. And good thing about curcumin is curcumin boosts the function of enzyme which help in production of omega-3. It decreases low-density protein oxidation and free radical production in the brain. Also, it prevents buildup and promote cleanup of amyloid plaque, a major reason for Alzheimer's disease. To tell you a fact, India have the lowest dementia rate in the world. They consume 25 to 50 milligram of turmeric daily, which prevent inflammation in the brain. We all have heard a lot about cancer, but we don't know enough about it. But you can agree that it's one of the deadliest diseases. There are many reasons behind it. The most common are inflammation, free radical, and antioxidant imbalance. Cancer development starts and continues due to uncontrolled damage to cell, while anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin can keep check on damage to cell. Animal tests have found to reduce the growth of tumor. Thousands of research papers show that turmeric cut the risk factors that make body habitable to cancer. There are a large group of people who have low risk of cancer, but among them, there are people who have high risk of cancer. There are many factors responsible for development of cancer and no one knows the exact way to control it, since it takes long years and also happen at cellular level. But we can take control of most common factor, free radicals and inflammation. And a healthy lifestyle also lower the risk as per many studies. So why not focus on that can help you live a better life. And about future. Our future is sum of our present day action. 1 tablespoon of turmeric can't do what a pinch of turmeric for years. And one spice can't do what a combination of small lifestyle changes can do. So focus on making small changes in every aspect of your life. An inflammation in joint can increase the risk of arthritis. High inflammatory property is found to be effective on arthritis. Studies have confirmed that curcumin was more effective than arthritis drug diflonic sodium. There are studies confirming that curcumin can be used to cure and prevent rheumatoid arthritis, all without any side effect that arthritis drugs have. Although I am not suggesting you to quit medication, but you can add turmeric in your diet. The earlier you add, it's better, because prevention is better than cure. In Indian culture, turmeric is used for many purposes. It have antiseptic property which can reduce acne and acne scar when applied over it. It is also used as antiseptic for cuts and burn. It's also found that it can protect skin from UV ray damage. Turmeric is also known for its medicinal property as pain reliever. US Army Institute of Surgical Research suggests using curcumin as alternative for dangerous anti-inflammatory drug. They found curcumin can enhance wound healing in burnt patients. And a fact about study, a huge dose of curcumin was used, but for normal pain and soreness, you can use turmeric with warm milk. There are many studies saying that type 2 diabetes can be reversed, but we don't have enough data. We don't even know what the mechanism and how effective are they. But one can surely get benefit from its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic properties. And it also lowers the complication like neuropathy and retinopathy. High blood sugar level is responsible for neuropathy and retinopathy. In neuropathy, high blood sugar damages nerves in the hand and feet, which is responsible for weakness and numbness. And in retinopathy, high blood sugar damages retina of eyes, which can cause vision impairment. Curcumin is found to be 400 times more potent than diabetic drug metformin in activating AMPK, which improves insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes as per studies. But it's best to take care before anyone develops such health condition. Finally, talking about the biggest killer. Heart health issue is the most common problem in the modern lifestyle. For a healthy heart, it's important to include physical activity. Nothing can replace physical activity. But let's look how turmeric can help. Turmeric is found potential to provide benefit to heart similar to exercise. Curcumin also lowers bad cholesterol and its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property lowers buildup of plaque, preventing atherosclerosis. 16-week studies on mice showed 26% less fat deposit in arteries. With a huge list of benefits, it's sure that turmeric is a healthy spice. One may be using it as a coloring agent, but still it keeps benefiting. That's all to mention what a pinch of spice can give you. But there are many more things in 6000 plus studies which I haven't covered. But trust me, it's one of the healthiest spice. Thanks for sticking till the end. Do share and subscribe if you found the content helpful. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to receive more helpful content like this. That's all for now. We'll meet you soon. Till then, take care and stay healthy.